My name is Dr. Juan Carlos Jaramillo. I'm a physician by training. Been working in the pharmaceutical industry for more than 23 years now. Worked in various therapeutic areas, but one of the areas where I've focused most of my time have been vaccines. I'm currently the Chief Medical Officer here at Valneva. I've been working with the company for the last 3 years and been very fortunate to actually work with a fantastic team, also with our vendors and major collaborators. Chikungunya, first, I want to explain a little bit what it actually means. It means that which bends up. This is in reference to the stoop posture of patients that are afflicted with this severe joint pain and seen in the disease. Chikungunya virus, or chickpea, is a serious and debilitating mosquito-borne viral infection that poses a significant unmet need globally. Infections are associated with an acute and a chronic phase, and the illness can show and cause morbidity among infected individuals. To note that 43% of the patients suffer from a chronic chikungunya, where joint pain, fatigue, and other potential debilitating effects may last from months to years and can have an extensive impact on their daily activities. One of the things to keep in mind is that those who experience the severe infection, the majority do not return to their previous health status. And this is due to the long-term disability and the medical burden that this devastating disease brings. Chikungunya has meanwhile spread globally and is currently regarded as one of the most likely viral infections to emerge in new geographic areas. This is an issue which does bring and raises concerns of the urgent need for efficient prophylaxis. We have seen from various publications that currently it is estimated that more than 75% of the world's population lives in areas at risk of transmission. The greatest areas risk for travelers are thought to be the Americas, part of Africa, and also Asia. Recent outbreaks of chikungunya have also been reported in Europe. And as you probably are aware, earlier this year, there was a large outbreak in Paraguay. So we do see that climate change has seen the geographic spread of the vector species, Aedes albopictus and the Aedes aegypti. And this is the results from the rapid increase in distribution and especially the outbreak frequencies. So I could speak about our chikungunya vaccine. I mean, as you saw, we have the world's first chikungunya vaccine approved by the FDA on the 9th of November. And last week, we announced positive pivotal phase 3 immunogenicity data in our adolescent study. These are individuals aged from 12 to 17 years of age, and it's actually the results were confirming the immunogenicity previously seen in our adult trial. So one of the things that I have to take in mind, I mean, we start from a journey back in 2015, and this is when we in-licensed and then did preclinical work, thanks to our collaboration with Peter Liljeström and the Karolinska Institute. We then worked with the FDA, and we were able to obtain fast track and breakthrough therapy designation. This occurred in 2018 and in 2021. 3 years ago, we also were discussing and speaking with the European Medical Agency, and we were granted a priority medicine designation, or PRIME as they call it. And of course, with the FDA has gone the further discussions around our clinical development program, and also taking into account of the robust clinical data that we were able to generate from our clinical development program. And we basically enrolled more than 4,600 individuals, which included, these individuals were included in phase 1 and in phase 3. One of the challenges in developing this vaccine was really how do we define and to demonstrate the clinical benefit due to the absence of an established immunological correlate of protection, and the challenges of conducting a full efficacy study due to the randomness and the short duration of a chikungunya outbreak. So, of course, we worked in collaboration with INSERM and health authorities, and we were able to define a surrogate of protection based on evidence from a non-human primate passive transfer study using human sera. Further collaborated by the findings from a prospective sero epidemiology study to assess the clinical benefits of the vaccine. With this U.S. approval, this is our first license. It's the first licensed chikungunya vaccine, and we firmly believe that it will play a crucial role in preventing and suffering that is caused by this potentially debilitating disease. I think here at Valneva, we all come to work every day so we can deliver these types of vaccines. And basically, it's to improve people's life. And with this U.S. approval, we are certain that we're going to be able to provide this undeniable unmet medical need, and which represents a critical step forward in preventing the mitigation of the impact of chikungunya has. We will continue to work hard to make this vaccine available to the largest number of people that will benefit from it, of course. And we also want to make sure that we continue and also recognize CEPI and Instituto Butantan for their collaboration during our partnership. And the next steps also is for Instituto Butantan in Brazil. They will have responsibility in the further development, the manufacturing, and also they will market the vaccine, making it accessible to low and middle income countries. While the approval of that vaccine by the FDA is not the end of our journey, we aim to confirm our clinical benefit observed in our clinical trials in a real world setting. And this is through our post-marketing effectiveness studies that we will initiate in due course. So beyond the US approval, we also are looking for approvals in Canada, Europe, and in the UK, and we're constantly work hand with these agencies, and we're also looking at getting further approvals beyond in additional territories.